Okay, so we're going to start with your shoulders and arms.
Okay.
And see, if you rated the pain right now, what number would it be?
I'm probably at a 6 right now.
Okay.
Just
you want to just hold on to that
constantly.
while we're talking about it?
Okay.
Just so when we place it on you, you may feel something. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I want you to be willing to tell me and just be vocal about what's happening.
Okay.
Because when I hear an experience that you're having, then I know more easily where the placement, where the correct placement is. So is it like pain all the way down your neck, in your traps?
So it starts across right here, and it comes up over my shoulders, down my arms, but it also
On both sides?
Yeah, it comes up my neck, more on this side over there, and then over my head and behind my arms.
So this works locally.
Okay.
So it's not going to take everything away, but it may affect, I don't know how much, right? So not only tell me what you're feeling, but maybe where you're feeling it and where you're not feeling it. Okay. Now, I want you to start by placing it right here on the head, horizontally.
Over her hair, under her hair. Okay.
And just let it sit there for a few seconds.
Let's get a number on that.
She said 6.
Oh, 6
So
right
it was
now.
a 6.
Okay.
So across
So
my
I'm going
back.
to lift her hair,
No.
the under hair.
Just put it the hair right here.
Okay. She has a ton of hair.
Yeah.
And you can hold it, good like
Tight?
that. You don't have to hold it tight, you can hold it loosely, just so that it stays in one place. Now, what are you feeling? Do you feel anything?
I don't feel anything yet.
Okay, so no change at all. Okay, so pain's the same everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay, now Adrian, right? If you would just move it gradually down her neck, onto her, like the middle of her neck.
Okay.
Yeah. And you tell,
It's tingly in my neck.
okay, it's tingly right
Yeah.
now? Okay, what about pain symptoms?
It hurts less up, like how tight it was up here. It hurts less there.
So things are loosening. Okay.
I almost want to move my hair. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do
Okay.
that. Okay, do you want to lift your head up straight? Just be as natural as you can. So we try and recreate normalcy.
That releases up here. It doesn't hurt into my eyeball.
So that feels unique.
It's crazy.
Good.
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't. I want you to move it down further.
Yeah.
Can I try
Will you
again?
gradually move
It's
it down?
warm. Does it get warm?
Yeah. Warm
Okay.
is common.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I didn't want to give you that hint that maybe it might get
Yeah.
warm. So if you want to just hold it loosely, Adrian, and put it maybe down in between her shoulder blades. We'll go extreme and see extreme movement and see.
She's like, give me more.
Keep it on top of her shirt. That way you can move it
Okay.
from where it is.
I go down through here for a minute.
Okay.
And again, just
Okay,
hold your
stop
head
in one
naturally.
spot.
Stop.
Do you feel anything different?
I feel it doesn't hurt in my neck. We're probably at like a 3 in my neck compared to before when it doesn't feel so tight. Like
Go
it.
loosen. So
I don't feel a difference in my arms, but I do up my neck.
now let's try the arm.
Okay. Where?
There are nerves that come down her neck right here, and then behind her shoulder, in her shoulder blade. And so you want to put it vertically, right where your hand is, just like that. A little bit down farther. There you go.
That's
What did
that's
it do?
creepy.
What did it do?
My hands don't tingle. They don't hurt. My hand doesn't hurt. Okay, that's crazy.
She's a crafter, so that's like
That's
huge. And she hasn't been able to use
one
one hand
thing
for
for me.
ages.
I've always been scared since I was young that I was going to lose my hands, and I have been. And it doesn't hurt.
Yay!
Want to fix the other one?
How many of these can you
Did
use
this
at
come back?
once?
Did this come back?
It It's more tight. It doesn't necessarily hurt a ton, but it's more tight.
So it has a residual effect. So what happened in your neck, you took it away and it still felt pretty good. The longer you wear it, the longer that residual effect will last, we think. So a lot of this is guesswork. Or you could just wear it forever. Just keep wearing it, and there's no problem wearing it.
Yeah, I know it's weird.
How many can we put on there?
We know